channel. I realized that, first of all, this video is a long time coming. I realized for a while that I've been making videos or putting videos on my channel, but I never really welcomed you guys here, and I thought that's kind of foul. It's kind of yeah, that's not cool at all. So I was like, let me just make a video to welcome you guys and just carry you guys along this journey, make you feel welcomed onto my channel, onto my page. For those that don't know what I look like, this is what I look like. So wanted to welcome you guys here and say thank you for those that have been watching, that have been liking, and that have been sharing my videos. I appreciate the love. If you don't already know, my name is Kosi, aka SimplyKos. This is my YouTube name. I'm sure on other platforms I have some other name that I go with, some other derivative of my first name. So why I created this channel? At first it kind of started off as a travel channel or a travel vlog, and it was a way for me to kind of store my memories and kind of have just one video of a country that I may have visited, that me and my husband may have visited, and just to be able to go back and just watch and reminisce. But then I realized, okay, I travel as much, but I don't really travel that much. I don't get paid to travel, so you can only go to so many places and have so many videos. But then I realized that this channel might go a different direction, you know, and it might go in a direction towards what I'm passionate about, such as travel, my faith. I'm gonna be sharing a lot about my faith on here. That's something that's been really, just really something that's really been on my heart, and I felt why not share? I can't keep all this goodness to myself. You know what I'm saying? And I've been blessed by other channels who shared their own journeys, who shared their own faith, and it's inspired me. So why not? We can all grow together, learn together. I'm still figuring out this life. I'm sure you are too, so we can all figure it out together. And culture. So if you guys have not already figured out, no, I'm not Ghanaian. I'm actually Nigerian, and specifically Igbo, not Yoruba. A lot of people, when I try to get them to guess where I'm from, I either get Ghana first, or I get if I do get Nigerian, I do get Yoruba first for whatever reason. But both my parents are Igbos specifically, and my culture is something that's very important to me, very, very important to me. I love learning about culture, not just my own, but other cultures, especially Black cultures, because I feel like it doesn't really get a lot of, I would say, Black cultures outside of African American cultures, like when you consider the West Indies or the Americas. I do like to travel to those places and kind of understand the culture there and learn about the people. So when I do travel, that's kind of the focus of my videos or my vlogs. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. And when it comes to my own Nigerian culture, my own Igbo culture, growing up, it's kind of assumed that you should know certain cultures or understand why things are done a certain way. But I realized the older I got, I realized the importance of taking advantage of your elders and asking questions and being able to sit with your elders and understand why things are done a certain way, and just understand that. So I've been doing that. I would talk to my uncles and my aunts and to understand certain values, certain rituals, or understand our history's past before a lot of things started to modernize and change. So my videos will kind of focus on that. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. And just like you or just like me, we're gonna see where this thing goes. But I hope you guys are willing to support and just stay tuned and just ride along, man. We're all learning here. We're all trying to figure things out. the screen. You know, I'm admiring my fine self, but I should be looking at the lens. But you know, don't worry, we're all new here, we're all figuring this out. But I'm willing to learn, and I hope you guys are patient with me, and you people just grow with me. With that being said, if you have not liked or subscribed, please just click that like button. As you're clicking that like button to like this video, you gotta click the subscribe button. Click that one so that you know you can, and then hit the notification bell if you like, you know, if you're one person to be checking everything or you need to know when something is happening. Just click that notification bell so that you know you will know when I post a video. So other than that, thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for the love. I hope that you guys will, you know, just come along this journey with me, man, and we'll just figure this out. I hope to learn from you as you learned from me. Just write down in the comment section what you would like to see from me. If you watched my videos, what you've enjoyed so far. Let's make this a community. You know what I'm saying? Let's figure this out. You know, and I know some people will be like, there's so many people that do YouTube that have this and that, and it's okay. Just like when you go to the makeup supply store or the beauty supply store, or you go to any store, there's so many different types of things that you want to, that are there. You just choose the one that you like. Now, so you might like me or you might not like me, you don't know, but you won't know until you try. So we have to try, open up our minds, and don't worry, Sha, we'll figure this thing out. All right, y'all, bye. And I'll also be posting videos at least minimum twice a month, okay? So just be on the lookout. Like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button, put your notifications on so that you know when something comes out. Did I mention that I have a podcast? Yeah, I have a podcast. It's called Not Quite Foreign, with a dear friend of mine. So I will put the link in the description box below so you can go take a listen, have a few laughs here and there, and I hope you enjoy that as well. All right. This channel, okay, I don't want to make this too long. Oh my gosh, okay, let's just edit. Hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me today. All right, it's better. Hi guys, what up? Okay,